Hello friends, this is Sandeep, a research scholar from University of Jammu. So in the last video, we have learned how to extract and import data from Web of Science database in the PDF format. So in today video, let's do some practical. So, so first of all, you have to just type Web of Science in Google or in your URL page. Just click here and this type of interface will open. So here we have many option. So this is the search page like you use the Google. So here you can search the document. If you have document topic, you can search the keyword here. And if you have certain name of the researcher, author, their affiliation, and much more. So let's take an example. Always use inverted comma in between your topics. So you must have many keywords from the paper you read in your studies. So just type your keyword here. For example, I type HR analytics and just click here. Let me highlight my cursor so that you can easily see my cursor. So here you can see that I have typed HR analytics and we found 145 paper. So here in the Web of Science, and this is one of the good thing, uh, you will automatically find the keywords. Say for example, you have HR analytics. So in many paper, these topic a name is used with another synonymous. For example, you have get a suggestion from the Web of Science. For example, HR analytics. Some people will use in the small letter HR analytics. You click here. Some people also know HR analytics by the name of people analytics. Likewise, you have human resource analytics. In some paper, they have written work for analytics and like human capital analytics. So you can add many more keywords that are related to your topic. So it will give you a combined and give you a comprehensive good result. So I have added these. Here you can see that I have 145 documents. And when I add more keywords and just click here search, so here you can see that my document is increased 268 document. So you can use more keyword here. So let's go to some another option. So for the bibliometric analysis, you have to extract data from the different type of databases. Like today we have use Web of Science. So these are 268 document. So now as a researcher, you have to make some filtration. That is some inclusion exclusion criteria. So it is based upon the discussion of the researchers, what they want to use or what they want not to use. Say, for example, these are the uh, refinement. You can see that these are the option you can filter your document. Let's take an example, publication here. So if you want to choose some specific publication here, say for example, these are the year and you only want to choose some specific year, for example from 2021 to 2026 for these 6 years. So you can just click here and click here and you can take the paper and article only for these six here, and on the basis of this you can make your review. Or if you want to take all, you can skip this. You don't have to tick here, so you can include all. So this is the first filter. Let's go back. So likewise, you have many filter or option. So based upon the discussion and based upon the researcher need, they can filter accordingly. For example, you have document type. So here you have document type. You want only article, full-fledged article, that is 197, or you want to include review article, you want to add early access editorial material. So you just have to click here and refine your result. Say for example, let me choose few example for you. Say for example, I have only choose the article which are in their final stage. You can choose and filter according to the author. If you have many author, you can choose only specific author. Then you have research area. This includes the subject matter. So if your subject is likewise, you have many subject here, so you can specific and make your result confined to certain subject. For example, if you are a business economics students, you can click here. Social science, another topic, you can click here. Likewise, you have subject here, so you can make your, so that is behavioral sciences if you have, and you can do refine. So here you can see that my document will decrease to 169. So you have many option here. So based upon this, you can choose the subject area I choose. You can have author. If you want to take some particular journals, you can include affiliations. If you want to particularly review some institution, you can click here. Certain specific region wise, if you want only review on India, so you can click here and exclude rest of the year. Or you want to a combined review for all the studies. Like you have language, you can choose English language. You have 162 article, or you want another language. So likewise, you have many option here. Here you can see if you want open access, you want conference paper, you want the paper which are funded or without funding. So you can explore many option here. So according to your choice. So here you can see that these are the paper which are here. So this is the topic of the paper. These are the two authors and these are the abstract here. So just go here. You have two option here. So you can add to mark list. So add to mark list means you select the paper, that is 169 paper. Just select here, and if you click on add to mark list, it will automatically save your Web of Science account, and you can make filtration and changes in future. And if you want to export these file 169 article, you just have to click here export, and these are the options. Here you can see that there are many format. If you use EndNote, like you have used use MS Word mostly, so you can choose this option. You have Excel file, you can choose the Excel file. And for bibliometric analysis in BiblioShiny app, R software, so you can Excel is also use here, RS also use here. And for Web of Science format, let's choose this plain text file. It is mostly suitable. You will easily get this file. And if you click here, plain text file. Here you get the option. So in the option, first first option is you have to select 50 result. So it is the first page you have open on the Web of Science. There are 50 articles. If you click here, only 50 article will export. If you click here, all record on this page. So maybe in the page you have a certain number of paper, it will export these. So you have third option, click here, record from 1 to 69. So it include all your paper. So in the Web of Science, you have option to export uh, article 1 to 500. That is the number of limit. But in Scopus, you can export much more document. So likewise, we have 169 article. So we click here and record contents that have include author, title, and sources. You can change here according to your discussion. So let me change here to abstract also and click export. So when you export, your file will save here. So if you want to see where your file is saved, just go here. It's in the download folder. So download folder, let's check. So here is it is a file. You can open this. It's a simple plain text format. So here you can see that this is the file that is easily readable by the our software. So let's close this. I have old file open here. So let's close this. So in this way you can extract data from Web of Sciences. So just open Web of Science and explore the option. You will learn many new things. So that's all for today videos. So you can also check my old previous video related to our software, and in the later video we will see how you can download and extract data from the Scopus database and use in the BiblioShiny app of our software. Okay.